Hey, let me show you how to support your friends at the MyStart or Dream Factory crowdfunding project. First, open your search engine and type mystart.com, or your friend have give you the link, then you can click the link straight away. If not, you can search from page to page by click CO project. When you add a CO project, you'll see a lot of the reward crowdfunding project is all over here. Okay, when you have found your friend's link, then you just click inside. Okay, once you click your friend's links, you will find all the project info and also how they give you the reward. If you agree with their reward, then you can click support. At the support page, they have a lot of selection. You can make your own selections, or you can type just support with any amount you like. Once you finish, then you press support now. Upon you press support now, it will link you to the page. It's a login page. Then please put all your info for the registrations. And first, please remind that please do not use Facebook as a login page, because a lot of time it will lead you to the page that is not complete info. Please key in your info by your email and the login password, personal information, and your address and your contact number, so that your friends, once there is a project successful crowdfunding, then your friends is easily can send you the product or your thank you card, and all the reward is sent to you to your correct correspondent address. That's all. Then press support now, and it will lead you to the payment page. Once at the payment page, you key in all your personal banking info, then you press next, and it will complete. Okay, thank you for your support.